Hello everyone, welcome back. This is gonna be the last video for 2024, so we're gonna do an awesome recap of all the great things that we've experienced in 24 and talk a little bit about what's gonna happen in 25.
Yeah, we have a lot of plans for 2025, some of which we are going to tell you about here in our New Year special.
We launched this channel at Autoshow 24. That was a deliberate plan. We've actually been working on the channel for a couple of months before then, trying to figure out what we wanted and how we wanted to do things. And it was an awesome time to launch the channel because it was a great show. It was the biggest car show in Denmark.
Yeah.
It was about 30,000, well, 28,000 people visiting. And a lot of them came by our location.
They did, but it was not without problems as well.
No, we had our share of challenges.
First of all, we didn't know anything about editing videos, about filming. Yeah,
we didn't. Our first videos, you may have noticed, our first videos are actually filmed without microphones and are filmed on these old GoPros. It took us a while to figure out that in order to give you guys and girls some awesome quality, we really had to upgrade our equipment. And that was something that we learned at the subsequent videos. But Autoshow was the very beginning.
It was. And it was a good beginning as well.
It was an awesome start. We got our first 250, 300 subscribers.
Yeah, and we met a lot of people as well. So, and you picked up the sofas.
Yeah, we have a tradition that every time we go to show, we have sofas with us because it creates a really good community and it creates a really good corner where people can sit down, just hang around, because part of being at these shows is also being social with people.
Yeah, and you're there most of the time for the whole weekend. It's nice to have a place to sit and charge your phone, grab something to drink.
Yeah, we make a little lounge for our friends where they can, Autos photographers can come and charge their equipment and drop their backpacks. But we picked up the sofas and that was actually really cool.
It was.
Had Thompson driving and me driving around on the tow truck.
Yeah.
And the sofa on the back, and just saying hi to people. That was probably one of the most funniest things at Autoshow.
The Jaguar got so much attention, so that was cool.
Yeah, it confirms that building these cars that are a little bit different but still very, very awesome and have a legacy is the right thing to do.
So, but all this YouTuber is not without challenges and hurdles. So we make a lot of bloopers, we make a lot of mistakes.
Normally we don't show these things because it could actually fill its channel of its own.
Kyusha Factory blooper channel.
Kyusha Factory mess ups, yeah. But every video we takes at least a couple of tries to get right because we are so new at this. And we're going to show you a couple of these edits that we normally just take out because we mess things up.
So yeah, and there was the one time where we had to and there was that one time where we just had to put the Supra.
So just to give you a recap of what happened in 2024, 2024 has been an awesome year.
Yeah, in Poland, where we had to get the Micro.
Yeah, when the rental broke. Well, first of all, our normal car broke down. Then the rental broke down, and then the car that we were supposed to pick up broke down. So it's like shit show, basically. Well, it's still funny. Yeah.
Yeah, we saw a crocodile.
And we saw a crocodile. Oh yeah, the random crocodile gas station. Yeah, that was cool. And we got pulled over, and we handed out key hangers to the customs people. Yeah, and you didn't have
not
your
a bribe.
Hashtag not a bribe. And you didn't have your paper, so they didn't want you.
No, I actually still have to call them.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I think you should do that. That was kind of cool. Yeah. So about the Jaguar. Jaguar is going to run next year. Well, we've said that before, but we'll have to make it run next year. Maybe not approved with everything, but just running. We have to have it up and running. We will have to do that, and it we'll probably bring it to Autoshow. And about that, for 2025, we have a lot of things coming.
Yeah, and a lot of cars that needs to be finished.
Yes. So what you can expect to see in 2025 is we are going to Euro Rally. That is not a secret. We intended to go in the Jaguar. That's not going to happen.
No.
Probably going to go in that. Fingers crossed. We will try to get into Ultrace. So Ultrace, guys, if you're viewing this video, you're probably not, but if you are, please invite. We have submitted applications and stuff, so please let us in. Thank you. We would like to attend Elmia in Sweden. I'm not sure how that's going to go, whether we're going to be approved, but we would like to attend Elmia in Sweden. And we have a lot of awesome builds.
We do.
We have, you've seen a lot of our cars, and there are a number of cars that you either just seen at our intro and not really heard about, or haven't seen at all. So we have a Mark III Supra, which really needs a hand. It worked when it was parked 5 years ago.
Yeah, and there is the Corona K70.
The K70, you haven't seen that at all, but that...
Well, they have seen it on Instagram.
Yeah,
I posted a picture
there is a T-shirt with the car, so it is a real car. It hasn't run for probably 6 years.
Probably.
Yeah, and it's a Corolla, so it will always run, but it will need a bit of work before it comes up and running. And we have also... We have
3 Datsuns.
We have 3 Datsuns. We actually don't have 2 Datsuns, we have 3 Datsuns. We have the 510, the 720 and the 620. The 620 is a car you haven't heard about, but that's breaking news. We have a 620. We'll get back to you on that. That's a little bit of an internal secret. So if you know about the 620, we know that you've seen this video, because that's the only video we're probably going to mention it in. And the 720, I actually ordered bed sides for the 720. Yeah. So the 720 is going to be built.
Yeah, right now it has the what do you call it, Australian.
Yeah, it's a wooden bed, Australian bed. And the reason why it has that is, by the way, because you could buy the car without a bed, and you could get a local shop to build a bed for you, and that was cheaper. So that's why it's done. And it works, you know, it's our shop truck, and it does what it's supposed to, but it needs to be a little prettier. I would like it has so much potential, and it's one of my personal very favorite cars.
Yeah.
Sitting here next to a Skyline Supra and talking about an old Crabson, but yeah, that's one of my personal favorite cars. So there is so many builds that we are going to show you in 2025, and we're going to be doing more builds in 25 and doing less event videos, less of that coverage. You're still going to see us at shows, still going to see show videos, but it's going to be less and it's going to be more builds. So this is what you can expect on the channel.
To end this year off, we're going to have a little giveaway. We do have a very cool calendar for 2025.
So go in and comment on the video what you would like to see more of in 2025. And we're going to pick randomly the 5 best comments, and going to send you a calendar free of charge. We're going to pay the shipping and just have the calendar delivered to your door.
And it doesn't matter where you live, we ship worldwide. Yeah.
It's one of the advantages of starting things the way we did is we actually ship internationally. We're able to ship things to you more or less all over the world. But comment what you would like to see more of in 2025, and let us know what you think about this. Before we sign off, a huge thank you to all of you for supporting us and helping us grow and making this channel what it is. 2024 has been such an awesome year, and we look so much forward to 2025.
Yeah, every comment, every like, it's so much appreciated.
Yeah, we love your engagement, we love talking to you, we love engaging with you about our cars. So support us and help us grow in 2025. We look forward to an awesome year.
Yeah, and you can look forward to a lot of cool builds as well from us.
With that said, thank you for an awesome year. See you next year.
Happy New Year.
Cheers.